Good morning this Monday, the 14th of August. I'm Grady Wolf, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street closed mixed on Friday, with the Nasdaq posting a second weekly loss for the first time in 2023 as semiconductor stocks weighed on the tech-heavy index. Over the week, the Dow Jones added 0.6%, while the S&P500 and Nasdaq each dropped 0.3% and 1.9% respectively. July producer price index data was released in the US on Friday and confirmed that inflation remains sticky in the region. The data showed a rise of 0.3% on June, which was above the 0.2% economists were expecting. News Corp shares rallied on Friday after the media company reported an earnings beat in Q4. Over in Europe, markets closed lower on Friday as investors continue to digest corporate earnings results alongside the release of unfavourable PPI data in the US. The Stock 600 fell 1.1% on Friday, while Germany's DAX lost over 1%. The French CAC fell 1.26%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 fell 1.24%. On Friday, UK economic output data was released, showing economic output grew by 0.5% in June, which was higher than the expected growth of 0.2%. Locally on Friday, the ASX 200 fell 0.24%, weighed down by a sharp sell-off in the energy sector, while consumer discretionary and healthcare stocks offset some of the heavy losses to end the week higher. The sell-off on Friday was driven by investors responding to a slew of earnings results, including Baby Bunting dropping almost 2% after profit fell 51%, and the full-year dividend was slashed by 52%, in addition to the company announcing cost-cutting measures as part of the FY23 results. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 0.3% lower at $82.96 a barrel. Gold is up just 0.08% at $1,915 an ounce, and iron ore is up 1.93% at $105.5 a tonne. Ahead of the local trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are expecting the ASX to open 0.41% lower to start the new trading week in the red. One Aussie dollar is buying 65 US cents, 94.14 Japanese yen, 51.35 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 8 cents. Now, stocks trading ex-dividend today include Euroz Hartley's Group and Suncorp Group. If you've been thinking about these stocks, it might be worth considering buying in today, as stocks trading ex-dividend generally trade lower on the ex-dividend date. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has initiated coverage on Task Group Holdings with a buy rating and a 12-month price target of 62 cents per share. Task Group is an end-to-end transaction management and customer engagement platform that delivers a B2B software as a service solution to high-quality enterprise clients, including McDonald's, Starbucks, and Compass Group in Australia, to manage the experience of customers from pre-order to payment. Bell Potter sees Task is trading at a 20% discount to global industry peers, and the buy recommendation is based on the company's exposure to future-facing growth and profitability. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Harvey Norman following the formation of a pattern over a period of 34 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $3.87 to the range of $4.35 to $4.45, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for this morning. Have a wonderful Monday, and as always, happy investing.